Hi everyone, and welcome back to Crochet by Shawn. If this is your first time joining us, welcome. Glad to have you along. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the share button. And today I want to show you how to make a fan stitch. Something a little bit different. I'm just going to use a 4-ply worsted weight yarn and a size K crochet hook. And we are going to chain 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We're going to turn it over and work through the back bump. We're going to do a single crochet in this first one, the second chain from the hook. We're also going to do a double crochet in that stitch. Skip the next stitch and do both a single crochet in the next one and a double crochet in the next one. Skip the next stitch and do it again, both a single crochet and a double crochet. Skip the next one, do both a single and a double. Skip the next one and do both a single and a double. I guess we only needed 10, not 11. So here's what your stitches look like. We're going to chain 1, turn the row, skip the double and go into the single, and do it again, a single crochet and a double crochet. Skip the next one, skip all the doubles. We're just going to work into the singles and do a single and a double. Skip the double, go into the single, do a single crochet and a double crochet. Skip the double, we'll go into the single, do a single and a double. Skip the double, we'll go into the single, do a single crochet and a double crochet. Now when you do them on the singles and skip the doubles, you have straight edges. It'll be straight all the way up and down. We're going to do something a little different now. So chain 1, turn. We're going to go into the doubles and I'll show you what that does. So depending on what your pattern calls for, you can do it a little bit different. We're going to go into the double, the first one. So do your single and your double. Skip the single. Go into the double, do a single and a double. Skip the single, we'll go into the double. Do a single and a double. Skip the single, go into the double. We'll do a single and a double. Skip the single, we'll go into the double and do a single and a double. So when you go through the doubles, you can see it's going to offset it a little bit. But if you want them straight, go through the singles, skip the doubles. If you want to offset your rows, you can do them in the doubles, and then you'll have kind of an offset all the way up your rows. And that's all there is to it. Thanks so much for joining us today, and we will see you next time.